everybody and mabuhay! Xin chào Vietnam! Thank you so much for having me today, and I'm truly grateful and honored to be here in Vietnam once again. And my sincere appreciation to the Miss Charm organization and Miss Charm Vietnam with this warm invitation. It's a privilege to have come and witness a beautiful press conference for our upcoming journey as Miss Charm Vietnam 2026. And I'm just so excited to looking forward to more meaningful journey. Thank you. Mabuhay.
World Press.
It's for everyone. So maraming salamat sa pagsalubong po sa akin ngayon, and mahal na mahal ko kayo, and this victory is ours.
Ano ang nararamdaman after 1 month nakauwi ka na rin sa Pilipinas?
Excited na ako kumain ng sinigang. Excited na ako to really just to be with the Filipino people and to celebrate with all of you. And of course, I'm excited because I'm not just Miss Supranational here, but of course I have the Miss Supranational family with me. Here, of course, Mr. Pedro Cordero is also coming for my homecoming. So I'm so excited for this week. So I hope you'll be with us this weekend.
Bravo!
Ay, bakit kasi pumili na ibalik lang corona ng Supranational sa Pilipinas?
Means the world. I mean, that's Supranational for me. I mean, we worked hard for this. I keep on joining years after years. I've been joining pageantry since 2018, and now finally, nagbunga po yung paghihirap natin. And this is just the hard work of the whole team, the whole Filipino people, and I'm so happy to celebrate this victory with everyone.
What are the coming plans and goals ng newly crowned Miss Supranational?
I'm very excited to work with the organization Miss Supranational. So, Miss Supranational is working with the Sasahawa Foundation. It's a foundation that is based in Japan. So, I'm really excited to bring this advocacy with me. And of course, I'm happy that I'm back in the Philippines. I'll be with Project Girl. So, I'm excited, more than excited, to go back home to Tondo, Manila, and really just celebrate and of course uplift the people there, and of course show them the global stage as well.
Message mo sa fans.
So mga kapolitika, atin pong napanood itong dalawang Filipina beauty queen natin ngayon na si April Smith doon sa first part ng ating video na nag-i-speak siya dito sa pagkaimbita sa kanya ng Miss Charm 2026 na nagaganap sa bansang Vietnam. Dahil kahapon nga po yung kailang grand launching ng kailang beauty pageant competition na gaganapin sa buwan ng Disyembre. So napakagaling at napakaganda ng naging speech ni April Smith dito sa Vietnam, kung saan is nagpapasalamat siya sa pagkaimbita sa kanya sa naturang grand launching. At aside po dito kay April Smith is naimbitahan rin po itong pambato ng Malaysia, pambato ng Indonesia at yung pambato ng Vietnam dito sa Miss Charm 2026. At ngayong araw din po pala mga kapolitika, kayo ng 4 PM is dumating po sa ating bansa itong ating kababayan na si Katrina Ligado sa kanyang pagkapanalo doon sa Miss Supranational 2026 na ginanap sa bansang Poland. So 4 PM po dumating si Katrina Ligado dito sa ating bansa para sa kanyang homecoming matapos ang kanyang pagkapanalo, at siya nga ang nakoronahan dito sa Miss Supranational para ngayong taon. Okay, so yun po ang ating latest dito kay Katrina Ligado at kay April Smith. At dito naman po tayo sa Miss Grand International dahil pupunta po pala ng Sri Lanka itong si Queen Emma. Our Queen Emma, Vanessa Pulgarin, and Vice President Miss Teresa are heading to Sri Lanka for a special MJ mission and to join Miss Grand Sri Lanka 2026. From August 28 to 2nd of September. Stay tuned and follow us. This exciting journey unfolds. So ilang weeks na lang po ang ating hinihintay at magsimula na itong Miss Grand International 2026 dito sa bansang India. At ipapasa na po ni Emma Tiglao yung kanyang corona dito sa kanyang maging successor. So gaganapin po sa Indira Gandhi Stadium Arena yung finals ng Miss Grand International 2026, the iconic venue that will host Miss Grand 2026 in New Delhi. Yung kailang national costume mga kapolitika base dito sa kailang announcement is sa October 5. October 7 yung kailang preliminary competition at sa October 10 naman yung kailang grand final. 3 unforgettable nights of glamour, excitement, and the signature MGI spirit. Tickets coming soon. Don't miss your chance to be part of the grand experience. Our very own Alexi Brooks, Reina Filipinas MGI All-Stars, together with Jojo Bragais, President and founder of Reina Filipinas, will be part of the esteemed judging committee for Miss Hasaan 2026 tomorrow, August 28, 2026. Get ready for an exciting celebration of beauty, grace, confidence, and purpose in Hasaan. So itong Hasaan is nasa ano po ito, Misamis Oriental, at magiging judge po itong nanalo dito sa MJ All-Star o sa Reina Filipinas na si Alexi Brooks. Okay, so far mga kapolitika, yun po ang ating pinaka-latest na update dito sa mundo ng beauty pageant. So mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong masabi at maging reaksyon dito sa magiging laban ni April Smith sa Miss Charm 2026 na ganapin sa bansang Vietnam? Malakas kaya ang kanyang maging laban dito at masusungkit na ba natin ang kauna-unahang corona ng Pilipinas? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.